Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 12th of January 2023. We're going to talk about AMC today because, hey, I already know a lot of you all keep your eyes on the market in AMC and take a look at what happened yesterday. The market was up 21%. It's trying to trick a whole lot of people into coming back into the stock. Like when you see a market run up this high out of nowhere, like there wasn't no news that really placated on why AMC traded up 21%. And even if it was news, that wouldn't be the cause. This is the reason why AMC went up 21% yesterday. And it's because the prior days, like look at this. This is where the market in AMC was just consolidating. We could take this from December 27th all the way to January the 10th. The market in AMC was not going anywhere. This is the energy that has caused the price in AMC to go up 21%. Now, again, this move that occurred into the market in AMC is going to make a whole lot of people contemplate whether or not should they jump on the bandwagon now because they felt that they missed out on the fantastic move, and then in the end they'll get caught in another terrible position like so many other people who's been pumping AMC. That's why I zoomed out the price chart, because every opportunity the market ran up, people wanted to jump on board because they felt that price was going to continue to go higher. Don't get caught in those situations. Another thing, you guys can see that on my price prediction, I have $5.50 as a location that will allow me to come back and change what I think the environment in AMC is really up to. So even though we saw a massive run up of 21% in AMC, I'm not going to change my price prediction, because the only way that I would be convinced that the market in AMC is actually strong or bullish or it's going to continue to trend higher is when we see it break $5.50. Okay. So what do you think the market in AMC is going to do next? Right? What do you think? Because at some point, when you see a sustained move in one direction, whether price is going up continually or going down, at some point price has to go back up. That is the reason why AMC also went higher. It's because price has been coming down ever since November towards the ending of December. Now it's about time for us to come back and see the market go up. That's the reason why. Market doesn't go down, and you never see any days where price goes up. So to me, yes, it was a great move. Like this would have been a great intraday trade in AMC. Like this is the 7-minute price bar. Okay, if you would have came in at the market open right here, you guys can see how price shot up immediately, consolidated, and then ended the day higher. So the high of the day actually came in right there. And at the end of the day, that is exactly where the market closed. Like, this is not rocket science. This is how you can tell, like so many people say it. Everybody understands and knows this, right? That the market is manipulated. Of course it is. And if it's being manipulated, then it should make it easy for us to know what price is going to do next. That's the thing I don't understand. People try to think that manipulation is a negative aspect in the stock market, when in actuality, it's a good thing, because we should be able to tell what the person who is doing the manipulation is up to. The high of the market in AMC came in at the open at 9 o'clock, right? Price fell back down, but he was able to take it right back to where the high was in the beginning of the trading day. That's not by coincidence. These individuals who run the markets, who run these individual stocks, they got a book, and they're trying to break even at least at the end of the trading day, or they're trying to accumulate more of these shares because they want to take price higher, or they have a whole bunch of shares that they want to dump and sell into the market. All of those things right there is what dictate price action, not the fundamentals, not the short squeeze. It's what these individuals, well, it could be a short squeeze, because they're definitely playing that side of the market too. So yeah, I'll take that one back. But the fundamentals, like the earnings per share, the expense ratio, like all of that is garbage, is useless. What is more important is supply and demand. It is what people value these stocks at, or what is it worth to you, right? That is what causes people to hit the buy button, not the fundamentals. The market could care less if they felt the value of AMC should have been $6,000. They could care less, because if they know that there's a market at $5, then they'll take the market to $5. I'm just saying. I want to show you all how this game is really meant to be played without the emotions, without all the hype, without all the short squeeze jargon. Okay. So right now, I'm not going to change my price prediction. Okay. But I am going to keep an eye out on the market action for AMC, because this could be the beginning stages of us seeing another run higher. Like, I get it. So yes, is the market currently against my price prediction? Yes, I acknowledge that. I'll keep it real on this channel. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to hide anything that I say or do. Everything is fully transparent on this channel. This prediction currently is showing that I'm on the wrong side of the trade. I get it. But it doesn't mean that I need to exit out the prediction right now, because I'm waiting for confirmation of buyers at $5.50. That is where I'll come back in and contemplate. Say, yeah, it's not working out. The market is currently massively bullish. I need to get out the way. There's nothing wrong with getting your predictions incorrect. You take it as learning opportunities, even when you're on the wrong side of the trade, to become more proficient, to become better. Learn how these price bars and volumes really work. What is it trying to say? This is a language. This is telling us how people felt at a particular moment in time. What occurred yesterday in AMC is telling me that people felt bullish. Now, if we come right back down, then it tells me that the market is no longer bullish and that nobody is there trying to buy the stock at $5. So every day that there's an opportunity or market is open, is more information that we didn't have before, right? So when I did this price prediction here on on December the 30th, right? We didn't have this information here. None of these price bars were created when I did the price prediction, right? None of them. And now we can tell that since January the 3rd, all the way until the 10th of January, that this was an accumulation. The market was buying AMC to produce what occurred yesterday. Okay, cool. I get it. But is it going to last? So I'm not going to change it. Just going to chill out. Now, I want you all to give me your thoughts about AMC though. Hopefully something that was said on this video, something that was seen on this video, has opened up your eyes and your mentality as to how the market really works. You guys can see I didn't show you any tweets. I didn't tell you anything that Adam Aaron said. He's not selling some new form of popcorn or doing some NFTs that produced this market action. No, people did this. The market created this. Not Adam, not some YouTuber, not some short squeeze. The market did. People, algorithms, AIs, hedge funds, large institutions, Citadel, mom and pop. Everybody contributed to what occurred yesterday into the market. Whoever played, whoever traded, they contributed to that. Now, those who were bullish yesterday, they need to confirm themselves. So they might have to come back in and do it again. And money is energy. And when there's a lot of money that needs to move a price, sometimes the market just runs out of money and the price goes back down to find another level that it can induce more buying or selling. Simple. All right, join me. Hit the like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Tap that bell notification as well, because I don't want you all to miss out. Like, this is powerful. The information that is being created on this channel is powerful. So now check this out before I let you go. I want to see price in AMC hold this area here. Okay. Now, why would I say that? Why would I want AMC to come through and hold this level? Right? Why? Well, let me show you. You guys can see right there, February 26, 2021. You guys can see right there, March the 4th, 2021, March the 5th, 2021. What happened there? Exactly, the market was holding support. Same thing happened here. December 19th, 2022, December 20th, 2022. Even here on December 22nd, 2022. We want to see price hold that line, because if so, then it tells me that the market is going to do something like this. It's going to come down today. Buyers are going to step in around 475. And then it'll do something like that. Now, if we see market break $4.75 down, then it tells me that the market is still weak. So that is the level that I am going to keep my eyes open on. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to extend this line because I want to show you how you can tell whether or not buyers are in or if they left. Let's see how this works today. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.